How you doing today? It is the new year. It's my last day off before we get back to work. I'm going to try and tackle a stupid job that I didn't think was going to be a stupid job. So today, I bought this new carbon wing that just come out for these Corvettes, specifically the Z06, or Z06 for you Americans. I want to get rid of the one that's on it, and I just want to be a little different. So I think I'm the only one in Canada that has this wing because they just come out with it, and I just happened to get on the first 10 that got out. So in order to do this stupid job, you have to take the whole back of the effing Camaro apart, or the Corvette apart, because that wing is bolted on, this wing gets bolted on, and the only way to get that off is in through the wheel wells and, you know, pull that whole back piece off. It's the stupidest shit I've ever heard. Makes me want to lose my shit. Probably make you want to lose your shit. So why don't we lose our shit together? So I got the charger plugged in. I've gone ahead and started tearing these panels out in here, and there is not one friggin' bolt that you can get to. So that means we're gonna have to take these off. Judging by my buddy's Corvette there's two bolts, one here, which is probably going to have to get done through the wheel well, I'm assuming. Yeah, because it's going to be under the wheel tubs on the inside. So, fuck. Man, I don't even know if I want to do this today. So that means I gotta pull this whole diffuser off. Jack underneath. There. See if I can get my hand up in there.
Find me with my star piece, I'm rolling with my star ski. We just wanna party.
light. So I thought about the easiest way to do this so it can help maybe some newbies. So I'm going to get a paint marker. I'm going to mark that as much paint as I can. And I'm going to set that. We have 2 bolt holes that line up with the factory holes. So
there's lots of ways I can fix this. And it'd be fun. But
use hex heads on this one because the holes are right above the lights. So we're going to use hex heads on this one because the holes are right above the lights. So No, I got them all. Carbon spoiler my way. Didn't take 5 days, 8 days, 3 days. It took, what time is it? It took about 2 hours. So it's actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So there you have it. I like that much better than what was on there.